Welcome back to this week's video. I hope you've been doing well. So I decided to do some few DIYs to just keep the time passing during this time. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell your friends to tell their friends that we're living on the cheap side doing DIYs. I hope you enjoy this video. So for this DIY, I just decided to take a shopping bag that I was not using. But you need to get a shopping bag that is made out of a fabric. This one is good for outdoors, but I'm not gonna do it for an outdoor because I don't have an outdoor space. So you just go on by cutting off the handles, and what you're gonna need is you're gonna need an old pillow, and just take the stuffing inside and insert it into the shopping bag. And after you've done that, it's either you have a sewing machine, but I don't have a sewing machine. So what I decided to do is actually use my hot glue gun to just close the part that is open. So for this DIY, I just decided to take an overlay, or you can call it a tablecloth. So what I decided to do is to just cut it to a size of a small pillow, or a scatter cushion if you may call it. So I just decided to cut it into size because this one I didn't want to use it for a table because I don't have one. So I just folded into size to make it a nice even size for the scatter cushion. And then I also went on using my hot glue gun just to seal the sides or to close the sides. And then I went back to take the stuffing from an old pillowcase to create this DIY. It is completely safe to use a hot glue gun if you don't have a sewing machine. It just makes things easier and it saves time. So I don't feel bad in any way by using a hot glue gun to create these DIYs. I'm very excited about this project. So this project, I took party plates that I bought from Checkers. They were going for 22 rands a packet. I bought 2 packets, but I didn't use the other packet for this project. So you just have to align all of these circles, shapes, depending on the kind of decor that you would want to achieve for your space. And then I just took the sticks that I had, just hot glued them behind the stickers to create a geometric shape that I preferred for my space. This one is very exciting and it turned out amazing. I love this one. Out of the 3 projects, this one is the best that I like. The other thing is, if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can just use a super glue because it is quick to stick. And in this part, this is when I just decided to use a stick because I wanted to hang this on the wall. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed those DIYs. Please remember to comment down below. Tell me which one is your favorite DIY and I'll just keep them coming. I really enjoy your comments and keep safe. Hope to see you next time.